Hello everyone, how are you all? First of all, I have brought a wonderful Christmas tree craft idea for you. How to make this beautiful Christmas tree at home. You can also teach this craft to your kids, especially for the upcoming Christmas season. It's a fun and creative activity and a great way to encourage healthy mindfulness and creativity. First, we all we will cut the paper into the required shape. You can use a fusing paper, whatever type of paper you already have at home. The idea is to recycle and reuse things around you and learn how to create something beautiful from them. After cutting the first piece into shape, we will take another piece of the same size, and place it over the first one so that the tree becomes double sided. This way, we can turn into a beautiful Christmas tree wall hanging. Next, we will attach the pieces and glue add a little jute. Then we will apply glue around the edges. And then you can use many more things like that. We will apply the glue around the edges and make it look beautiful and shiny. When you turn it over, you will see how gorgeous the green glitter looks. After that, we will add some stars and some glitter. You can use whatever decorative materials you have available at home. You can also add buttons, beads, or other little embellishment. Then we will attach a string or and multiple things like glitter, stars, and beautiful beadwork, and with glue. So here is beautiful and other amazing designs for you. So these stars are very beautiful and easy to applicable. So after that, and the next step is you can use beautiful stars. You can use beautiful stars and beautiful gorgeous collection of these materials. Then we will attach a string or dory to it and turn into a beautiful wall hanging. In this video, I am also going to show you some more beautiful Xmas tree designs. You can make these wall hanging with your kids and give them this project as a fun creative activity. And don't forget to appreciate and reward them so they feel encouraged and happy while creating these projects. Here you can see some really cute and creative design. If you would like to learn how to make any of these designs, let us know in the comments section, and we will definitely try to teach how to make them step by step in an easy way. So don't forget to follow my channel for more beautiful and creative craft ideas. I'm always so happy to see all your lovely comments and the amazing response you give to my videos. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Thank you for watching and for being a part of my video. And look at these beautiful Xmas tree designs made using felt fabric, foam, sticks, and other simple materials. So make sure to follow my channel, and together we will create many more beautiful and creative designs with you. So thank you, be a part of this journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourselves. So don't forget to follow my channel for more beautiful and creative craft ideas. I'm always so happy to see all your lovely comments and your response and the amazing response for the you give to my videos. Thank you for being here with me.